What's up everyone, this is Matt at Homeland Hempcrete. The purpose of these videos is just to share some helpful tips and tricks when building with Hempcrete. Today I'll be talking about how to keep your Hempcrete in place, and that's going to make a bit more sense here in a minute when I show you what I'm talking about, so keep watching. Okay, so what we're talking about really only applies to when you have Hempcrete flush with your stud or your framing here. So in this case, this is a prime example. It's not going to apply so much if you have the embedded frames like this example here. You can see that the frame is inside the Hempcrete. It's not going anywhere. It's all contained inside. So there's really no need for this consideration in this case. So this is what we're talking about today. Okay, so taking a look at this here is a sample piece I was making as a fireplace. And so I have my wood frame, and then I have some hemp on the exterior. What we're talking about is making sure the hemp stays in place. And what I mean by that is making sure this stays where it needs to be. I'm going to show you right here. If you look, there's quite a bit of give. And that's because I made a mistake on this piece. I didn't create any or install any keys for the Hempcrete to stick to, and so we have loose material right here. It's going to be fine. I'm going to plaster over this and I'm going to seal it in, and I'll probably install some screws or some nails to secure that in place. But really what I needed was to add some keys in the first place before I put the Hempcrete in to help secure this to the frame here. Okay, so going back outside, here's just another quick shot of our micro build that we're building here. So I'm going to show you a couple examples quick. So you're going to see, I've had a couple people ask me what is going on with all these nails sticking out everywhere. This is what I'm talking about when I talk about a key for the Hempcrete to hold on to here. So when we cast that Hempcrete in this cavity right here in between, it's going to be able to be molded around these pieces here, and it's going to be fixed in place from being in contact with those. Coming inside here, so on this wall here we're going to do we're going to offset the wall a little bit so it's hard to see, but I have these staples sticking out here, and this will serve as a key as well. We're going to push that wall out about a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch from the wall, and so that will give a good place for the Hempcrete to hold on to. Okay, so that's all I had to share on that today. Really just anytime that there's going to be Hempcrete sitting inside of a empty space, you're going to want to make sure there's something to help hold that in place so that you have a secure structure, secure wall all the way through. So any questions, feel free to reach out, and everyone have a good day.